We will show you how to use our new project timing switch in this video. Arami, Ravindu, Sanjeev, Charmik and I am Jenna make up our start. We notice a fairly regular occurrence in our day-to-day lives. Something we have all had to deal with overcharging of electronic gadgets. Often forgot to disconnect gadgets due to our hectic lives. It happens on a regular basis. It is harmful to our technology. It can also result in an accident. Excessive use of technological devices, for instance, when it's dark outside, we always turn on a light which lasts till morning. Another frightening situation involving USB cords has occurred. You can't connect them to power source directly. Instead, you will need a USB port. Alternatively, you may need to purchase a new cable. Why do we require a fresh approach? Electrical devices that are overcharged might result in excessive electricity bills. Overheating can also cause batteries to degrade. If you use light and fans excessively, you may end up spending more money. Our gadgets' efficiency might suffer as a result of excessive use. There are issues with the solutions that are currently accessible. The goods on the market have a few flaws. The majority of them are quite costly, with several buttons and complicated operating systems. Low efficiency, and most items lack USB charging capabilities. This device is required to turn on or off another specified electronic item according to a schedule. Following the identification of the customer needs, we develop objectives that we must meet when creating our project. This design intended to make it look and feel appealing, which also making it simple to use. There are 3 timers to control each socket and USB port. This timer may automatically regulate the current in a specified timeline. It may be programmed on a weekly basis. Let's have a look at what's within the timer now. To begin, the printed circuit board is in charge of all operation within the timer. The material we use to manufacture the cover is polystyrene. Other components include red LED bulb, digital display, 8 rubber buttons. Front-facing ports are linked to input current wires. The output wires are linked to a back-end port. Timer is capable of handling voltage between 180 to 250 volts. Next, 13 ampere sockets from our product. Adapter to convert AC to DC and 65 watt USB output. To link all of the components, we utilize a 425 mm fiber sum box. This is the cable that our device uses to acquire current. This consists of a wire, neutral, earth, and light. In the sum box and timer cover, we used high-impact polystyrene as the primary raw material. We used 20 threads to put these pieces together.
Is there a new way to deal with overcharging?
Isn't there a device that can turn things on and off or set a time limit?
Is there a way for us to save money on our power bill?
We don't have enough space to plug in there.
How long do you think this scenario will last?
How much would be worth if we could charge the speed?
How do we come up with solutions to these problems?
Isn't there a solution to all these issues?
Will it be significantly more expensive if we can solve all these problems with one device?
Have you ever suffered from such problems? So here is the best of us.
This is the one you have been waiting for. It features an easy to use operating system and a 2-meter extension cord. There are 3 timers to control each socket and USB port. It has a special lightweight. This device safe us for fire and electrical threats. This device also comes with a 3-year guarantee. Let's see how we can make this work. Connect the extension board plug to the wall socket. Then connect your device to the extension board and set the timer. Let's look at how to program the device. This is the manual switch used to get current. Switch on the time and display. Set the date, hours, minutes on the timer. This is the button for the clock, and you can gain access to scheduled times in advance. This is cancel and recover button. This button can be used to stop the timer. Reset. If you make a mistake, you may correct it when scheduling the time. Now, let me walk you through the stages of programming the post. To begin, press the timer on or off key to switch on the timer and display. After that, you must set your current time. For example, if you want to turn it on at 11 p.m., you must set it. After you have picked the starting time, you can adjust it by hours or minutes. You may stop it at 4 a.m. if you want to. In 4 and 5 steps, if you wish to pick various time periods for each day, use the date key. If you need to repeat the same time period every day, you can also choose this key. After that, turn off the timer and repeat steps 2 to 6. If you wish to exit the application, press this key and your session will be ended and your time memory will be erased. We hope you all having a good time watching our video. This time we will reward you for your assistance. First and foremost, Professor Chandana Pereira, Professor Madhava Herath, and our instructor Oshadi Pathurana.